Okay, so guys, this is a video actually so that I can get customer service on the FIMI X8 Mini Drone that I just purchased. 2 weeks, it's never taken off. I have all kinds of trouble. So you'll see what the trouble is. And also, I'm noticing that I'm using my Pocket, DJI Pocket cam, and it's like super yellow. So I don't know what that's about. I'm having a lot of technical issues these days. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and put the video that these people wanted me to put up so that they could help me with the drone. It makes no sense. I don't know. It's too complicated. All right, so I'm having trouble turning this on and making it work. So they've asked me to send a clear video to show the process for their reference. Turn on the drone. So I'm going to turn the drone over and go one, and that should be on. Then turn on the remote. So I'm going to find, I don't know where that thing is. There it is. So I'm going to turn that on, and I'm going to turn on the remote. One, hold. Okay, did I not turn it on? Let's try it again. So I press and hold. Maybe that's not how you turn it on. I don't know. That's not it. I'm going to try it again. One, hold. I don't know how to turn it on. It would be easy if they would give us very clear instructions. But I don't even know how to turn it on. I think I turned it on. Alright, so now I am going to see, well, whatever they say, show settings. Show settings. I guess this is settings. And then they say others. Where's others? Alright. So there is no others. Okay. I'm going to try it again. Their instruction is show settings. So this is settings. It says settings here. And then their instruction is others. Maintenance mode. Others. Okay, there's no others. There's no maintenance mode. I don't know what they want. Is this turned on? I don't know. It might not even be turned on. The lights are off. So let's try it again. One, and hold. 5 seconds. And it should turn on. Right? It looks like it's on, but it's not. So that didn't work. Let's just press and hold and see if that works. Looks like it's on. Is it on? I don't know. Let's just click it on and off. That doesn't work either. Okay, so basically, I have no idea how this works. That's record, so that's not it. That's, I think, return home, so that's not it. I have no idea how this works. Okay, let's try this. Let's close that. Let's close it all. Let's try this. This is on. That's on. Let's try again. 1, 2. That's how I turned it on last time, pressing it quickly once, and then, but it's turning off. So you're supposed to press it quickly and then long. Oh, it turned on. Okay, so that's the first problem that it has. I did that before and it didn't turn on. Alright, so that's the first problem. It's not turning on right because I did that before. and it didn't turn on. Okay, so now I'm gonna enter device, and it says, I don't know, disconnected NAE. Now it's upware. Okay, update. You know how many updates I've done? 10,000. Okay, so I want to do the update. This is terrible. It's taken me 2 weeks to try and make this work. It really should be easier. Other companies have like a website where they show step by step. This is really not good. So now at this point, this is going, I'm going to turn it off. Short and long. I'm going to turn it off because I don't want it to heat up, because that's what happens every time I try to get it to fly. It just ends up saying it's too hot. And it's only been like a few minutes. So now I'm going to do this. This is really terrible. I regret buying this. I really do. Okay, so I'm just going to come back when the firm update is finished. So I already messed up because I didn't notice these tiny, tiny little words that say, during updating, please keep the app, drone, and RC connected properly. So now, I don't know if I messed it up because I turned off the drone. Oh, yeah, this is not fun. This is supposed to be fun, and it's not being a fun activity. It's only at 52%. It's taking forever. Not fun activity. Okay, so far, I do not recommend anybody buy this drone. Show gimbal action. I was supposed to show gimbal action? How do I show gimbal action? I don't know what they need. I don't know why they want me to do all of this. I'm not supposed to be giving them videos. This is very difficult. To get customer service, I have to do a video, and I have to upload the video. What is that? I really regret buying this. I regret buying it. Look, it's still not. It's still at 52%. This is taking too long. Now what am I supposed to do? Turn it off? I don't know. I'm tired of standing here waiting, and it's still at 52%. Oh, look, it did it. Update successful. Now what do I do? I guess I press the reconnect. Okay, now it says it's under VPU mode, and it's about to start raining. It's like this is never gonna end. And then it says over here, it says, what does it say? I can't see it. It says drone updating. Now it says a lot of different things. I don't know. Under the ATTI mode, please be careful to fly. Could not take off. Yeah, I know that. Drone updating. Okay, did I tell you how much I hate this? It really should be easier to use. Okay, so, oh, it's making some noises. I don't know what that means, but it just turned on. Oh, was that the gimbal thing they wanted to see? So I don't know if that was the gimbal action that they wanted to see. Because, you know, I'm a beginner. So I don't know if that's what they wanted to see. Alright, whatever. Unable to enter GPS mode. Please be careful. Gimbal not ready. Unable to enter, disconnected, NA, connect. I don't know what I'm supposed to do. It's under VPU mode. Please be careful to fly. Okay, so I can't connect it. I don't know what I'm supposed to do. I have no idea. So anyway, it says push stick upward and drone goes up. I don't know. I know I'm gonna crash though, because I don't know what I'm doing. Push stick upward. Unable to enter GPS mode. That's not fun. Oh, now it turned off. It just disconnected. There, no, it's like connecting and disconnecting. Oh, and regarding what they said they want me to show settings, others, maintenance mode. Well, I don't know. I'm in settings, right? This little gear is supposed to be settings. So there's no others here. There's no others. No others. So I don't know what they're talking about. Sensor temperature is too high. Please turn off. Unable to enter GPS mode. Please be careful. Cannot take off. All right. Waste of time. Waste of money.